Affiliate marketing is a strategy through which people make money online by referring hundreds of people to make a living off of it. In this tutorial, however, I will demonstrate you how you can make big money online, actually thousands of dollars, but by merely referring no more than 2 people a month. And to be able to make this work, you just have to watch this short tutorial to be able to set it up correctly. In other words, any one of you watching this can do this if you just stick to the end of this video, as I will decorate everything. And with all of that said, dudes, let's get right into this video. Today's method is very extraordinary to say the least. So as you've heard, it is an affiliate strategy indeed, but the website you will be promoting and the fashion in which you will be promoting will be so much different than what you are normally used to, as you will all soon see. Before we get to the website in question though, we require to cover something equally significant: payment. So how you will get paid. And while you can get paid via your bank account, you can also get paid via a website like Skrill.com, for example. For those of you who want to use a website like this, then just come over to here and click on the register button here to generate a brand new account. For those wondering, yes, there are other websites also accessible. The 2 greatly famous ones you can use are PayPal.com, arguably the vastly prominent of them all, and also a platform called Payoneer.com. Which one of these you decide to go for is actually none of my business. I do prefer PayPal, but it doesn't change anything if you go for Skrill, for instance, or Payoneer for that matter. With that out of the way now that we've dealt with payment, it's time for me to show you the website that we will be using to give rise to money online with affiliate marketing today. It's this one right here called Builderall.com, and to say this website is unique in every way would be an understatement as far as its affiliate program is interested. Before we get to that though, let me magnify on what this site is first. On this platform you can basically get tools that will enable you to get more sales. So it's a digital marketing platform of sorts, and it's widely used by business owners all around the world. Obviously though, since you are not here to sell anything but relatively promote this platform as an affiliate, what you will want to do when you come onto here to enter the affiliate page is just click on affiliate right up here. Alternatively, you can just scroll down until you reach the very bottom of the page, and then click on affiliate down here if you so wish. It doesn't actually matter how you go about it. Either way though, that will now take you to the affiliate page where you will be able to sign up to this site's affiliate program. Before I cover doing that, let me first show you how much money there is to be made here and what makes this website is so outstanding for affiliates. If you come down here, you will be able to see that as an affiliate you can earn money by getting sales. So you promote this platform to someone, they decide to start using it, and you get paid. As natural as that. However, here's the catch: if you can get other people to sign up as affiliates to this website, and if they then get sales to the platform, you will get paid yourself because you got those affiliates involved with this platform in the first place. And in this manner, dudes, the amount of money you will earn will increase exponentially. You really do not need to refer more than 20 affiliates a year to earn thousands of dollars in passive income doing nothing at all. As you can see, if I refer 12 affiliates to this website and those affiliates in total get 12 sales to this platform, I would earn $3,000 every month precisely doing nothing. That would amount to $36,000 every month. Just let that sink in. I am not the one entirely having to get sales to this website, but because I got those affiliates onto here in the first place, I get paid for it. This is what makes this website's affiliate program so special, guys, and why it is so extremely powerful. If you can manage to get a bit more people on this website to promote it as an affiliate, the amount of money you would be able to earn would be enormous, and how you would be able to do that I will explain very soon. For now, though, I need you to sign up for this site's affiliate program. To do so, just scroll a bit down until you come across this section here, then click on this button, and from there, as usual, type in your info so you can sign up to the program. After doing so, it's significant that you will have to wait until you get accepted into the program, so you won't instantly be able to grab your affiliate link. When you do grab your affiliate link, now comes the hard part. Certainly getting traffic to this website, because remember, you don't need people to pay this website. Even though you can make some money in that fashion, it won't be a plenty. You rather want people to sign up to the website as an affiliate and actually start promoting it. So how can you do that? Well, by actually using youtube.com, you will wanna create a video like I created. This video was uploaded somewhat recently and it serves as an impressive example. In this tutorial I talked about Systeme.io, which is a somewhat similar platform to Buildrel but with not nearly as good of an affiliate program, but it yet is a good example. If you were to play this video, you would see that I did not indicate my face on camera. I did not have to record anything myself. All I did was screen record the video using a software called OBS, and I talked about the website, then left my affiliate link in the description, and that's all there is to it. Believe it or not, by making a video like this titled something like Best Affiliate Marketing Tool in 2022 inches, you can make plenty of money online. I mean, just guess about it. Even if you get as few as 1,000 views, imagine 10 of those people signing up to the website as affiliates and getting sales to it. As you've seen prior, that would literally earn you thousands of dollars passively every month. So the potential here is huge, and you do not require a plenty of views in any way, shape or form. If you wanna try and get your video to develop, you can use our website called WeFly.com. I've used this platform in the past and it does work pretty well. Of course, it isn't free, but if you wanna get more views on your video, I do suggest it. However, you wanna go about creating the actual video is completely up to you, dudes. Whether you wanna use OBS in particular, some other software, or you wanna show your face on camera, the point is that by creating a video on Buildrel and then leaving your affiliate link in the description, you would be able to make a lot of money by not referring a plenty of people, something that was actually unheard of until this point. And that's it. If you is the lover of similar content like this, take a look at my distinct videos, and if you love it, please break the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification horn. Catch sight of you in successive video.